Watch out!
This kid is good with the sniper, man.
Who?
Both of y'all. Where the hell are they at? Where the hell are they at? I only see crates. Watch it. You're too close to them. It's two of them. Which drop? Where's the drop? Oh shit, I have somebody close to me too. Yep, we're clear. Ah, solo dude. Thank God. Alright, we could advance to this house right here. He's running zigzags and we're running forward.
Marked a location.
Oh my God. Or that I just heard somebody else behind me.
Watch out!
No!
Watch out! Watch out!
No!
People are fucking thirsting this state.
Where?
Watch out!
See, this is what irritates me about this fucking game, man. I'm fucking aiming right at him. And that shit just freezes.
Yeah, this is bull. This is.
Good job. Good job, brother. Good job, man. Good job. Really nice dance. Really nice dance. That was nice. That was nice. Really nice dance.